Besrun is an air blower, dry your nails, dry water, but it's not IP rated to go underwater. It is a air blower for electronics to take off dust and particles. What we're going to do is open up the package and show you what you get inside and what this is all about. Different types of attachments. As we open up, we have the instruction guide to go over and how your unit is set up. The Besrun air duster is the size of a large hand. A yellowish color, on and off switches, and areas of interest to pull off. One is the blower, one is the sucker. The USB-C button, and the bottom base to stand up. As we pull out all the nozzles, we have a flat nozzle, a round nozzle, a tall nozzle, the charging cable, and the short stubby nozzle. We have cleaning brushes underneath, a wide and a soft. Everything comes well packaged and protected. The way to use the unit is the on button with blue lights. Simply press the back button. We have 3 lights. Press the front button. You're on the highest level. Press the back button once, you're on the second level. This is the on and off for the blower, the on for the whole unit. Press once again, you're on the lowest speed, and it's blowing quietly. Pressing this button brings it back to the 3rd speed and shuts the unit off. In order to use the unit for the high, it is a trigger. It is a push to stay on and let go, it shuts off. On the 2nd speed, it stays on by the push. You have to manually shut it off, and then simply long press to shut off. As we pick a long nozzle, we're going to go clean our keyboard. As we clean the keyboard, we turn on and we clean. We got dirt and debris on the table. Cleans just like that. Air conditioners to get between. And to get into the vent areas. And clean the vents out. With 110,000 RPM, clean your mat. These are just some of the uses of your duster. I hope you enjoy your duster. Blow up, suck out, clean the keyboards, anywhere that you need a little mini blower. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.